Here we have for sale our Audi TT 2 litre TFSI Black Edition S-Tronic. It's a 2013 63 plate. It's done 24,599 miles. It's 2 registered keepers from new. Last serviced at 23,619 miles. It's got full dealership Audi service history with the car. The large boot with the seat up has 292 litre capacity. The Black Edition features various extras like the Black Edition wheels, Black Edition spoiler, and other styling and enhancements in the interior. The 2 litre engine outputs 208 brake horsepower, top speed of 152, 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds. The combined fuel consumption figures are 39.8, extra urban are 52.3, urban 28.5. This car has various extras including heated leather seats, electric seats and satellite navigation. It's available on finance with Black Horse. For more details, please visit our website luigimotors.com.